Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug a certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and the Punch USB port labeled for data. If your Punch supports wireless CarPlay, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. On the iPhone, go to Settings General CarPlay and allow CarPlay while locked. This prevents interruptions. Once connected, the head unit should prompt you to accept Apple CarPlay. If you see a pairing request, accept it. Now the CarPlay icon appears. Tap it to launch the interface and proceed to pairing confirmation. Once CarPlay is active, configure the layout and audio routing. On the Punch screen, tap the CarPlay tile to open apps. Use the rotary knob or touchscreen to navigate. On your iPhone, open Settings CarPlay Tata Punch and drag your most used apps to the first page. This speeds access while driving. Make sure the head unit's audio source is set to CarPlay so navigation and calls route correctly. If voice commands lag, adjust mic sensitivity in the head unit settings and test Siri by pressing the voice button. To finish, run a quick checklist. Start navigation, place a call, and play music to confirm audio and controls work. Use the steering wheel voice button to call up Siri and test hands-free performance. This verifies mic routing. If CarPlay drops or apps fail, try a different certified cable and reboot both the Punch head unit and your iPhone. If problems persist, reset CarPlay in iPhone settings and repair. This often clears glitches. One tip: disable Bluetooth devices that conflict. Then reconnect only the Punch to avoid interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.